Ni mai puan thei ni rui din mai tho kamai tan mai tan tai san sa pa su mai tu tan ra ma ge tin cao tong tan dei la ye lo tu thei.
Father anointed with the Holy Spirit and power, guard and preserve you, that we may sanctify the Christian people and offer sacrifice to God. Receive the oblation of the holy people to be offered to God. Understand what you do, imitate what you celebrate, and conform your life to the mystery of the Lord's cross.
Signal po Fidelis ka may hay Father Fidelis ka may hey Fidelis ka may